real quick. There we go. All right. We out here.
We are out here.
Oh, you're not going to be for long, bro.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, let me check something.
We out here. What can I say?
Perfectly fine here.
Hey, Dad. Is there anything in there? I can't really jump high. What is that? Oh.
Nah.
Ooh, what's this? Oh! Body deodorant. You need this, bro. Dog! Ah! Ah!
Nah. Hey, what are you doing with that?
I don't know. I actually can't do
Oh,
anything
shoot.
else. Can I?
Oh, shoot. Hey.
What just happened?
I don't know, bro.
Ooh. Oh, there's a dildo!
Wait, what? Yo.
I can't grab it though. There's lotion. Ah! What are you doing?
What is this, bro?
Why can't I grab a dildo?
You see what else is in there, bro? Oh,
That lotion.
oh, there was something else, though.
Oh! I can swing it!
Wait.
I'm a warrior!
Oh, shit.
Oh, from battle! Okay, what is happening? I am a warrior, sworn to battle my enemies with this sword
Hey, put that
that I have acquired. I have acquired a single sword. I shall attack you, Dad.
Hey, you gotta put that down.
Look at me swing it around. Get rid of it. Yabba-dabba-doo. Ah, damn. That hurt, bro. What are you doing? Anyways.
Anyways, let me clean this up.
Okay.
I know.
Something about.
Nah, keep slipping, bro. I'm trying to get up. Oh, nah. Oh, nah, it's over.
Something about.
Wait, you've been holding the cord the whole time. It's leading me straight to you.
Huh?
You oh,
What are you talking about? Alright, so I gotta jump from here. How does that happen? Oh. How do I... Hey man, what are you doing?
oh, dude, there's a key.
Oh, I did a flip. No! Get off me! I'll tell you what. Can't even eat that. I can't even eat that. No! Stop! Stop, please, bro. No, that's a fruit. Get off me. Come on, come on, come on.
Hey, man.
Come on, come on. No! What? How? Oh my fuck,
No.
bro. Alright.
It's like,
Alright. Let's see here. Let me meet my kid. For some reason I saw your shadow under a different room.
Please.
Where'd you go?
Please.
Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh!
Yo.
Bastard, what do you think you're doing? Ah! You killed me!
Hold it. Hold it.
Give me that. No, stop, stop.
Insert.
Stop that.
Insert.
Stop that. Get that out of here. Where'd you go? Oh, you're dead.
Oh, let me just
What are you doing, bro?
I'm using
Stop
your credit card.
Hey! Yo, hey, whoa. Stop. Stop. I
No.
need to get food. I need to get food for you. Stop. God damn. Stop, please, bro. Why can't I carry you with this, bro? Damn. No, please let me save you, dude.
Nope.
You're my child.
Nope.
Come on. Why can't I grab you anymore? I can't grab my child anymore. Damn, I'm gonna get food from the kitchen. Yeah. Okay. 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 I'll take that as well. Okay. My baby should still be over there. What are you doing with that? Where'd you go? Whoa, hey! Ah, damn! No! Oh my, where were you?
In the closet.
Oh my, I checked the closet.
Check
What do you
what
mean?
size we're at.
Oh my, you saying I missed you? I passed you?
missed me.
You know what? This time it's it. I'm going my full power. I'm gonna kill myself super now. How'd I break this?
I dare you to break it.
Oh. Hey, father. I have done nothing but. You wanna check my stocks? Check this out.
Okay. Dangerous.
Now
Dangerous.
move this over here.
Dangerous.
And
Dangerous.
that over here. Hey,
It's
grab
very
that.
dangerous,
Hey,
by the way, so like I'm not.
hey, no, it's not. Trust me, bro. Please. Oh,
You didn't even. You're not even taking damage from that. What?
wait, what? I'm not.
No.
What is
This
this,
dude ate all the computer parts and still didn't take damage.
man? Hey, what are these? What are these? What are these?
Oh shoot.
How do I buy these? Oh. Hey, where'd the Wi-Fi go? Oh, damn, that's a shame. Throw that out. Oh. Nice move. Oh, well, I can't open that.
Oh, you already know what has to do.
Mm-mm. I'm just gonna die. Where's your baby, man? Everything's turning green, bro.
Oh shoot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No? Hey! No, dude, no! my hard work.
Perfectly healthy.
Oh, this is why mom uses a dildo.
Oh, that's not the only reason.
Okay. I want some nuts. Yeah, eat some of this, bro. Get that off me. Oh, I can't. Ah! Ah! What the fuck are you doing, bro? What'd I do?
You already know.
Man, I hate that that takes all my energy.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Hey, where you going?
Get me out. Ah, please!
How does not do that?
Hey, you ain't gonna catch me ever again. Go, go.
This dude really thinks he's gonna catch me lacking.
I'm gonna catch you lacking. Alright. Alright. Alright, come on. Oh, come on. Answer. Alright. No! I had it! I had it! No!
I ate that.
Dude! No! No!
This dude thought he would catch me lacking.
That was so close. Oh, come on.
That was interesting. Anyways. Where do you think you're going?
Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Dang. Oh.
Yo.
Run me over. Yes. What? Oh,
Oh, dude, for real.
no! Stop feeding me food.
Oh, let me go inside and get some more real quick.
Come on, there's gotta be something. What is this? What's
Dude.
happening? Dude! Come on, bro.
This dude's trying. Oh, you want an urn?
You
want an urn? You want an urn?
Please, bro. Dude, I'm dying.
Hey,
Come on.
wait. Why can't I?
No. You can't get me,
Oh, I can
man. No, please. I still got the bleach.
There's a single orange.
Stop. I wanna die.
I'll just do folding me.
Dude, how am
It's
I
not
not
gonna
eating?
die,
I'm not like 100% lung
It's not gonna die, it's not
cancer.
gonna
No, what the?
Dude.
Man. Mission: keep baby alive. Check. I can always keep a baby alive. That's just how I am. Let's see. Easy. Alright, cool. I know what I'm doing. What the fuck are you doing? Well, I guess I'll get you a fruit since you somehow took damage. Playing with your old little... What are you, a kid? Hey, get over here, little squirm.
Nope.
Let me feed you.
Nope.
Hey, put this on.
Oh, yeah, I can put that on.
Hey, why you moving? Why you moving? Get that out. Not cool. It's dangerous. Drop that. Throw it away. What do you think you're doing? Alright, now that we got that out of the way. Ah!
Folded,
What? You were
folded.
zapped! Oh my, bro.
Folded.
Okay. Oh, anyways. I'm gonna need you to come over here. What? Where'd my thing go?
Oh, dude, this is my favorite part.
Hey, come on. What is grabbing me? Why can't I grab? How did I let go of the string? Oh, I never did. Oh my god. What? Wait, where are you? Stop! Come on! Dude, come on! Why am I in third person? Why did this happen here? I'm wasting my...
You can choose one.
Ah, on, drop that. What is with this?
Cheeseburger. No,
There you go. God.
Ooh, that's perfect.
Uh-oh. Well, why'd I get... Okay, well, after this fruit, what? That kills you instantly?
It's glass, bro.
Why am I in third person? How do I change that? Hold up, I'm just trying to... Oh, there you go. I'm a baby, bro. What are you doing? Is it because I'm black?
Nah, I just wanted your stamina to go down.
No, man. Come on, bro.
You already know how it's gonna work in this game.
No. Man, you should worry about that machine first. There's nothing here.
Oh, I see.
Now, what are you talking about, bro?
What's up?
This game sucks, bro. Where's the glass? Ooh, nice bathroom here. Where's the paint? I forgot where that room is again. Oh, shit! No, dude, let go of my dog.
Nah, I just got full.
Ah, you pulled it.
Me kick him.
My dog.
Me kick him.
No, don't kick my dog, bro. We out here. Dude, leave him alone.
Me kick him.
Come on. I've never wanted to kill myself so badly before.
Hey, no way. Got these just in case.
Okay, plan B.
Actually, just give it to me right now.
Ah, no, dude. Anyways.
Oh, for real?
Oh, dude, come on. Please, bro. Come on, the plant needs to drop. Throw. Oh, there you go.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, shit! What the hell happened? What was that?
Where are you?
Be a good parent for one more minute.
I don't know what happened.
What? Like, where are you?
I thought I went through the other vent, through the other thing, but then I don't know what happened. Anyways, I'm not gonna tell you what the fuck. Like I said, where are you? What happened?
You just got launched. I think I know what happened to you.
No, you don't. Not really.
Bro.
This is my first win? Yo? Ah, what an L. What an L. You couldn't take care of a single kid, bro. Couldn't be me.
Nah.
Yes! Dude, you're actually garbage, bro. Like you suck at this game. Especially in you. Oh, what?
Hey.
PS4 ones. Regardless. Where are you, little guy? What? What?
So call